this is so good, mango jelly. Also, you can use this recipe as a syrup for some vanilla ice cream or Greek yogurt or other meals. Actually, check it out at the end of this video, the plus recipe that I'm giving you with some plantains. Are you ready? Come on, let's start cooking.
I'm cooking a delicious homemade jelly mango, and it's super easy. I use my mangoes. Let me show you. Here it is. I use my own mangoes, because I have a mango tree, and this is actually a mango, which the flavor is a little bit more sweet and citrus, and it's really good. But anyway, you can use any type of mangoes. What I did is that I peel the mangoes, I cut the fruits, and most of the fruits I put over here already chopped in the pot, and then I left inside the seed of the mango. So I had like 5 mango seeds in here, and then what I started doing is just taking out the rest of the fruit that is already in the seed. After I peel it, I chop it and I put it in the pot. I cook it in a very low heat, especially because it is sweet and it has its natural sugar, and you don't want to burn it, right? Like caramel. So I cook it for around 1 hour, right, or so, in a very low heat. And after 30 minutes, I add a good portion, I don't know, like I could buy, right? But I added like 2 big spoons of honey, and I stirred the mango, the jelly, and the seed. I left the rest of the other 30 minutes cooking. When I see the consistency, because this is how it works, at least for me. When I saw the consistency like creamy and less water, is when I take it out of the heat, right? So I take all these, the fruit, right, that you see, and I put it in the processor. But if you don't have a processor, you can use, very simple, a blender. I put everything here, and this is the best part. The best part is taking the seed, taking the rest of the food, and then you're gonna have almost the naked seed, which it has a wonderful flavor, and it's up to you if you want to suck the seed or not. It's really tasty. So after this, I just put it in a jar, glass, something like this, and that's it. And put it in the refrigerator. You know how it tastes super good, much more than put it on the bread for breakfast in the morning to spread it on the toast. On yogurt, I take a cup of yogurt, natural flavor, which has also probiotics, and I add the natural the syrup, the jelly of the mango on the cup, and it tastes so yummy, so delicious. Basically, 2 ingredients is honey and mango. This is a plus tip that I'm giving you. It's plantain. I chop it, put it in the oven. I squeeze 1 lime, a little bit of water, and then after 10 minutes, I add 1 big spoon, like a soap spoon, of the mango jelly. What you see over here, these black things are spices. They're nails, and it will be like a blend of the spices and the jelly. Very delicious flavor. Enjoy.